Don't forget, guys, you have the ability to time travel. So somebody might say something like, man, what's most important to us is that we're able to view these reports in the field, right? And it will either get glossed over by you, or if you're in a team sales environment and the rest of your team is not on Easton University, or they're just not participating, or they're not going to the portal, or they're not doing these lives, they gloss over that. And you're like, dang it, I think I missed something there. You can always time travel by saying this. Hey, Robert, I was just thinking, I'd like to go back to something you said earlier. You had mentioned that your current vendor is not getting the job done in terms of reporting. Can you give me a specific example of what you meant by that? I want to go back to something that you said before. Now, where else is time travel really great to do? It's really great to do when this thing starts to steer off the road of discounts, promotions, incentives. I don't want to do that. Oh my gosh, $500 a month for sales coaching is way too expensive. Got it. Yeah, I wanted to go back to something that you had said earlier. You had mentioned that you're making $215,000 right now, and the next person in your office is making $750,000, and you don't think they're any better than you are. What's holding you back from going from $215,000 a year to $750,000? Oh man, my sales process is screwed up. I don't know how to prospect. My time management's really bad. Yeah, which is why I recommended that we get you on the sales coaching, right? Now I can time travel right back to when they said they want to increase their, what would the revenue increase be there? $500,000, right? It's amazing how people will get someplace, good work will happen, and then as we get towards the close, they'll forget about all of the reasons why they wanted to do it in the first place, which is where we can time travel back. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're going to see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's going to give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.